Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is 4th day of our 21 days challenge series. So as per the demand, and I got lot of messages regarding the topic. So today I'm going to cover topic what are the top 21 days to generate traffic on my website fast and free in 2021. So this is a basically a step by step guide video, so you can learn a lots of things. So if you are new in this channel, so please don't forget subscribe, like and hit bell buttons, because upcoming next 21 days you will get a lots of more videos updation. So keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So without waste time, let's see my screen. So as you can the topic name, what are the top 21 days to generate traffic on my website fast free in 2021. So as you can see, there are lots of way you can generate easily traffic. If your website is new, you have just started blogging, whatever you have just started regarding related to your websites. So if you follow all these steps what I'm going to share with you, I'm damn sure you will get definitely traffic with good numbers of visitors daily, without waste of your time and without waste of your efforts. So let's see which are the basically ways you can generate traffic. So one of the most important part, whenever you are going to generate traffic for your website, keep in mind whenever you select keyword, the keyword should be high search volume and low competition. Why I am saying this thing? Because suppose I have a keyword is digital marketing and I want to see my website will be showing on Google if anyone search on Google. So it's not easy, not a piece of cake I get ranking so fastly. For that I have to work a lot regarding ranking, and I need to publish lots of blog, get lots of backlinks, and it takes more than 1 year. Yeah, exactly, because the keyword length too much short and it's not easy to easily rank, difficulty level too much high if you check on Href tool. So on what the alternative, how I can get a good traffic? So the keyword should be like a high search volume and low competition. So the my first point is, whenever you select a keyword, so keep in mind the length of the keyword, like low competition and high search volume. So if you don't know how to research keyword, you can watch my day 3 video. So on that video I have shared a lots of things regarding the keyword research step by step. So if you still haven't seen that video, so you can go my video list and you can see the 3rd day video. So I have covered everything regarding the keyword research step by step. Yes, step by step practical. So you can learn a lots of things on that video too. So now back to the art topic. So once you selected a good keyword with high search volume and low competition, you need to do a proper on-page SEO. Yes, exactly. On-page SEO play an important role in your ranking, in your website ranking, backlinks and other lots of things. So on page, what you need to consider? You need to consider on page SEO, title, description, the content of the website, schema, okay, the proper description, H1 tag, bullet points, H2 tag, and internal linking, and more thing. The more you have a schema regarding your website, so you have a good chance ranking good with the help of on-page SEO. Now the third point is social media optimization. Whenever you publish anything, you must share on social media too. Yes, exactly. Social media, one of the most finest source of traffic. Okay, lots of hot traffic you can generate with just one post it can be a viral, it can't be a viral, totally depend the content you are going to share. So keep in mind social media play an important role if you want to get a good number of traffic, daily visitors. So keep posting on social media, keep engaged with your audience. But keep in mind if you are into a health industry, you must share related to health. If you are into a digital marketing, so you can share related to digital marketing latest trend, Google updates, or you can even share a lots of things related to digital marketing. So now move to fourth point. I have covered in fourth point, it's a paid ads. Yes, if you want a good number of traffic, okay, even you have a good budget, so why you wait for next 6 months? You can start with Google ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads too. Yes, this is a short time of like instant traffic. So suppose I have a blog, I have just created a blog, I published my blog. So I want to like see a good number of visitors. So what I do, I just create a campaign on Google display, YouTube ads. Just within the 2 hours, if suppose I want to spend a daily 2000, so I'll get a good number of traffic too. Same for Google, same for Facebook also. In Facebook, I'll create a traffic campaign and I'll get the good traffic. Same for Twitter and same for LinkedIn. So if I have a good budget, so I'll definitely go with paid ads too. Now let's go for fifth point. In fifth point, I have covered a Quora, one of the most Q&A website, question and answer website, and Quora has also advertisement platform also. So suppose you have a subtopic and you are good at, you know the answer of that topic. Suppose your topic is related to, let me open Quora. And let me see, my business is into a graphic, related to graphic designing. So like I just open a Quora and Quora showing me one question: is Linkscape good enough to develop a graphic logo designer? And this kind of memes, what did you think about this blog? Somebody shared his blog. Okay, so what Bigo agency can make an official host? Are you can see clearly that people asking a questions, how do you create a poster on Quora? So just see, I have an answer. Suppose I know the answer of this question. I've been doing using Quora last 2 years. Okay, I'm good at designing. So what I do basically, first of all, whenever you are going to answer on Quora, keep in mind that you should have a good information. First of all, information in just before that, don't write directly on Quora. You need to open a notepad or word file. Okay, just copy that first of all the question and start answer. Okay, so first of all, always answer related to, you know, don't say the people do, the others do. You just answer like, hey, the suppose the question has put it a graphic designer kind of user, Tarun Rathod. Okay, so the question is basically for graphic designer user. So you just answer posted by Tarun Rathod. I'm sorry for that. Tarun has questioned this basically how to make a poster on Canva. So hey Tarun, like you, so you just answer like that. Hey Tarun, I've seen your question. You are getting stuck in like Canva poster. So I would love to help you regarding this problem. I have been using Canva for last 2 years. I have created a lots of 1,000 plus a poster for my clients, my brand, my own self. You can even check out my profile too. So you just need to create some poster and you can share a Canva link also. And you can even share a step by step and with bullet points, so how you can create a good poster. if you need, still you need a any help, you can ask me directly. This is my email id, whatever you want to connect with them. And suppose you same article you have posted in your website also, so you can give a reference also. So getting my point. So don't show you are just over smart. You need to understand the full Quora concept. Quora is basically a question and answer. So you need to keep in mind whenever you are going to answer in on Quora. So just keep in mind this thing. So Quora play a very important role in your traffic. So so these 5 points we have covered. So still, if you are new in this channel, you have just started watching this video, so I'll recommend you, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon, because this is a basically a fourth day of our 21 days video challenge series. So we have more days. You will get a lots of more information videos, learning videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share video, whatever you want to do, you can do it. It's totally up to you. My duty is for, I'm here only for your help. I'm your friend. I am a Sachin Kandra, husband to a superwoman and professional digital marketing consultant, trainer and founder of sachinacademy.in. I have trained more than 1000 business owners, and my mission is to help more than 50,000 business owners grow in their digital marketing. So my vision is too big. Why I want to help 50,000, not 5,000? Or because uh, in this COVID day, lots of business already shut down, and next few months it would be definitely. So I don't want to people face like lack of customers and the business. So whatever I know, I have a knowledge about digital marketing. I love to help my friends and whatever. If you still need a question, you can comment your question in this video, so I'll definitely answer on time. So now back to my video. So the topic 6 point I have covered a target long tail keyword as the beginning of this video. My first the point was a high search volume keyword target. So same guys, you have to target a long tail keyword, because in long tail keywords I have already shared with you that if you have a long tail keyword, it's easy to rank. It's easy to get traffic and other things also, backlinks. Okay, so if you need to know how to search a long tail keyword, you can watch my yesterday video, day 3 video. I have covered a lots of things regarding the keyword research. Now my seventh point, I have covered a guest blogging. Yes, guest blogging. Suppose you are good at the writing, or you even you have a good database of blogging also. So what you can do, you can outreach other websites owners. You can ask, hey admin, I have seen your writing skills are very good and your website have a good traffic and the authority of website also good. I love to share on your portal also. If you would allow me to share, I love to write for you. And on the what you can do, you can just give me any like kind of referral or the backlinks. So I'm very grateful for you. So for this kind of words, you have to send admin, and they would definitely encourage you, even appreciate your approach, because might be that admin has no time, he is busy for other stuff also, is not getting a time to write for their blog. So if you just you can help, you can help just little bit more. So I don't think so they would they won't say no for you. They definitely say yes, let's together. So you can post. So make sure you must share blog related to their blog also. Don't do you are into a health blog and you are posting on digital marketing blog or other kind of like stuff kind of blogs. Okay, now the third one, a referral traffic. There are lots of website who gives you a referral kind of you. It can be a paid, so kind of it, so you need to pay. You can say it's kind of an referral traffic, like work with others also. So you can see lots of referral provider. just hit on Google. Now you will get a lots of website provider who can give you a referral traffic. So even you can check on your Google Analytics also. Okay. Now the 9 point most important point, YouTube videos. So you must have seen there are lots of YouTuber they post related to helpful content, and if you check out their description, you can see they have posted their website link also. So learn blogging. Okay, and just this is a guy actual indies, and you can see here he's getting a good traffic. His video ranking on the second position whenever anyone search like learn blogging. So here he is getting a good traffic through his video rank. So same you can follow. You just create a video related to your blog and just need to uh, give your website URL also. If you are good, if you are into affiliate marketing, same process you can follow. Just give your affiliate link also like this. Okay. Okay, great. Now the 10th point, I have covered a Medium platform. Like Quora, Medium is like a blogging platform. You can write a blog, a good number of blog. Even this Medium blog, uh, Google also gives indexing, crawling, and you can see result on Google search also. So same, you need to just get started, sign up with your email ID, and you can write a good blog. So I'll recommend before guest blogging you can start this one thing also. So the postcard now are podcast most like nowadays on like high priority. People love to share their podcast, and on the postcard they share their links also. So same you can, if you are good at any topic, you just need to create a podcast account and start sharing the podcast. And on every podcast you can ask like, I have this website, you love to check out this more information regarding this topic, I have covered XYZ. So this kind of words you can share in your podcast too. Now the 12th point is optimize image. Yes, image comes on, like suppose I have this keyword. If I check on website, so you can see this is a Neil Patel website. This image is this image was crawled already and showing on search engine result. So just click, you can see directly, you can visit his traffic. So image optimization. So Neil Patel gets a good traffic daily with the help of image optimization. So same you can do with your blog also. Whenever you add any image on your blog, just make sure the image size not too much heavy, easy to use alt tag also, title tag also. Now the 13th point, email marketing. If you have a good subscription, use subscriber list. So whenever you publish any blog, you just drop them mail, hey, XYZ name, I have created this blog, so you love to watch, if and that would be helpful for your XYZ any field in your knowledge. So totally free of cost. Please check out this video and don't forget to comment if you like my blog. Now the 14th point is create a free course. Nowadays people share their free online course. Okay, so suppose this you have covered how to create a free online course. Okay, so just you need to create a blog on this topic and just share on social media. People love to get a free kind of stuff. If you agree, it can be a giveaway, online course, PDF, checklist, whatever. Okay, so this this a way of getting a good traffic. After that you can 15th point I am covering, infographic submission. Yes, infographic submission. There are lots of website you can create with the help of Canva and post on that website also. So infographic submission list. Okay, so there are lots of website, 20 websites, good DAP, okay, DAPA also. So you can submit your infographic also. Use Reddit, a very good website, a good number of authority of this website. You can get a instant traffic without need to worry about the traffic. You just need to understand, like, this is not a kind of other social media. This is basically a totally different. Here lots of active user. Okay, it works like a upward downward. If people don't like your Reddit, so they would definitely downward it. If you will get a lots of downward, so your thread would be deleted and the same account would be banned. So make sure don't do scamming kind of you, and don't post any irrelevant content too. You can do a slide share submission. In slide share you just need to create a PDF and submit. It's kind of PDF submission, I can say, but what I am saying, slide share has a good number of user, page authority, domain authority, so that's why I have only just shared a slide share. So 17th point is related to slide share. You just need to open slide share. You have created a blog, just you need to convert blog to PDF and just submit on slide share, and on the description of that submission you just need to block URL. Okay, now the 18 points. Let's start with native ads. Native ads, you must have seen whenever you open any good website kind of Times of India, Hindustan Times, a big traffic, who has a daily million of traffic daily. So you can see that website use even a native website. What are native ads? Native ads is like a display ads, but they don't have any kind of restriction. You just need to uh, create a image related to the topic, and if people like want to know more about, they just click on the ad. It's come in the bottom of every high traffic websites. So you can see even native ads. There are lots of platforms, Tabola and other platforms. You can use native ads too. Native ads works on impression base. It's a CPM, definitely cost per impression. You have to pay for the CPM based. Okay, now the 19th point is called local Google listing. Okay, why Google local listing I am saying? So because nowadays, suppose digital marketing strategy I post, okay, on the Google, suppose company, okay, let me see company. So I'll show you if people are doing this kind of strategy or not. Okay, so now look at this. People have added their keyword, okay, in their title. Okay, and the listing has the facility nowadays. You can post topic 2. This person is not doing. uh, One of my client, he was doing, he's also not doing. Oh, what the, so you are you getting what I'm saying? Okay, let me other like search on behalf of you for your help, guys. If anyone suppose digital vidya, I hope they are doing. If they don't do, they are also missing a lots of things. Digital vidya address. Come on, guys, why you are not doing, guys? Yes, look at this. Look at this, what I was saying. This kind of post. Okay, so now on Google listing you have a option. You can post your title, your post too. Okay, so just same the article title. Okay, just give a little bit brief about your blog and image, and people just click, and here we go. Look at this, just drag your landing page. So with the help of Google listing you can get a good traffic daily. Same paid giveaways, there are lots of giveaways, viral marketing kind of thing you can do with tie up the other websites also. And the 21, my point is influencer marketing. Yeah, exactly, there are lots of influencer nowadays. They have a kind of the per post cost. Okay, they ask for the per post cost, so you have to pay for the cost. It's kind of paid. If you have a good relationship with any influencer, you can outreach them, ask them, hi buddy, would you like to share my post? Okay, if you have no issue, I've seen you have a good number of followers. First of all, you can outreach directly, then ask whatever you have a purpose of this blog, and through this post you can authorize your subscribers also, your followers also. If you have any other more condition, you'll please share with me. I don't have any issue. So suppose I have an influencer, you have contacted me, so what I'll reply, just hey XYZ, thank you for questioning me and message me. I have a good number of subscriber or followers. I don't have any problem to share with my audience also, but for that I have already stuff to do. So for that I have another kind other expenses also. I love to do for free of course, but what I do, I have to do business so also. So you have, I have a one post cost, suppose 1000 rupees, 500 rupees, 5000 rupees, whatever they ask for the money. If you so you have a blog and you don't have any problem to pay, you can pay. Okay, it's totally up to you. I'm not asking you like you have to pay. It's totally up to you. So I have done from my side all the question, and the uh, what I do basically for my blogs. I have covered everything, each point in detail I have shared with you guys. Hope you understand, but still you have any question and I did any mistake, I apologize for that. So but guys, I'm saying 100% guys, at least try these all points. Definitely boost your ranking, boost your traffic, boost your website visibility on search engine. And always I say don't give up. You can do whatever you want to do. Never give up in life. Sometime ups and downs, so don't think too much about all these things. What was to happen. Now I'm here for you guys. I love to share my knowledge with you guys free of cost. I'm not asking for anything. I just ask my only concern, like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment if you have any question. I'll definitely try to answer on time. So now done from my side. Let's see tomorrow, new video, new concept, everything new. So bye bye, take care, and be healthy. Bye guys.